Viewer discretion is advised.
What's up, guys? Humor Hazard here.
We was in LA, bro. My favorite place about LA was the dispensaries.
So my favorite place would be going to Maestro's in Beverly Hills, where we all had delicious food.
Disney and the driving.
My favorite thing to do in LA is definitely Warner Brothers Studios.
Options. The options were crazy. That Blue Dream, which I hadn't had since high school, so that was good. That gummies that were so good.
Oh man, favorite part was the steak. Obviously, the steak, it was great. I mean, tomahawk, wagyu, it's expensive, totally worth it, melt in your mouth. I mean, the truffle butter, it just added the extra flavor. And the ambiance, we had the live music playing.
Driving in LA, just the speeding, dude. The speeding was amazing.
And their highways were like really wide.
Freeways, yeah, it was 6 lanes and some were 5 lanes. Favorite part of Disney would be the Marvel studio, where they built a whole ship and things.
Well, there was a tour where we just like drove around in all these different sets and drove in streets with buildings, apartment buildings, restaurants, but it was all props. We were literally walking around in like a street where Batman was filmed. Definitely, that was like absolutely amazing.
Yes, it did. Tell me not. Damn, that shit was amazing. Remember we were there? The guy opened the door for us, and I was like...
The amount of things that they had in there was like ridiculous.
It was crazy.
Even though like all I saw was a little cutout of what they had. If you didn't already realize, it went beyond my expectations. I mean, you know, the atmosphere, everything about it was just perfect.
Oh, 100%. Definitely met my expectations, went above and beyond. One of the things that I think that really blew up my expectations were the superhero area, just to see all these different suits that were actually worn by the actors when they were filming. So, like, that was pretty cool.
Definitely hit up the dispensary. Get the nice little vibe of being able to get whatever you want, whenever you want.
I mean, if you're on a budget, of course, you know, do your own research. You should 100% try the Wagyu steak there. The servers, just everything about the place is incredible. Just remember to bring a dress shirt. That is the one thing we have to remember.
The dress code.
There is a strict dress code. Dress shirt, dress pants, jeans, you know, nice shoes.
The crowd over there, like, you can tell they're all, like, high-class people and fancy.
Definitely a highlight to go to. Beverly Hills, 1. Maestro's in Beverly Hills, 2.
If you like to drive, yes. It takes a little getting used to because it's 6 lanes. But yes, I would definitely recommend it. And Disney, I would 100% recommend it. I've been wanting to go for the last 4 years.
Yeah, Disney was really nice. And we were there for like 12 hours and we didn't cover the entire park.
Non-stop walking. Get ready to put your walking shoes.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah. 100%. Definitely would recommend this place. If you're in LA, go check out Warner Brothers Studios. It's definitely a spot that you will remember. And it's relatively cheap too. It's definitely under $200 and you get to see all these amazing places, see all these different things. You get to sit in like the Friends couch, the Big Bang Theory couch. Just the whole experience. I mean, just walking in a street where movies were filmed is really interesting.